So what a beautiful day here. We had yesterday we had rain the whole day and really a lot of rain. I think from our pot planter I could say it's almost, well, at least 1.5, maybe 2 inches even. And it made everything fresh, clean again at the beach. It's really nice. Everything was washed off after all those long sunny days. Nature keeps a balance, and it's always fascinating to watch and experience the balance of nature and see always both sides when things are changing in nature. Also having a great day yesterday. Now we're having a sunny day. It's wonderful. Keep it up, nature. Well, I know you do.